Hello you guys, good afternoon. Right now it's like 12:30, what is it, 12:39. I just put on some makeup and right now, as you can probably tell, I'm doing my hair. Naturally I have pin straight hair and today I just feel like curling it a little bit. I had a very slow start to my day today. I honestly haven't done much of anything and I honestly have been up forever. This morning I woke up at 6:30 and I could not go back to sleep, so I've already been up for like 6 hours today. I'm actually feeling good today just because the past couple of days I've been on my period. I think I said this in my last vlog, so I felt like absolute shit, but now I'm done and I'm feeling better and obviously hopeful for a new cycle to try and conceive. My skin did break out a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see there, and I have like this big pimple there which is finally starting to go away. It probably doesn't look as bad right now because I have makeup on, but holy, this one on my cheek, it had a mind of its own, okay? A family of its own growing on my face. I honestly don't have a whole lot planned today. I am getting my nails done, which I'm excited for. Finally gonna bring the fall nails. Quickly show you guys what I'm working with. I love this green. It was like the perfect way to end summer, but they're very outgrown as you can see. I think for my first set of like fall nails, I want to do brown chrome, but I'm like, maybe I should just start subtly and just do like brown. So I don't know, I'm gonna see when I get there. Honestly, I have to walk to my nail salon, so all these curls are probably gonna fall out. I hope they don't. I'm just gonna finish the top layer of my hair and then we're gonna get our day started. So hair is done. I still have 45 minutes before my appointment. So we're gonna open a Shein package together. I just received it. Now this package is all of everything I need for Halloween. If you guys follow me on socials, my husband and I, alongside our dog, love doing like family costumes every single year. I generally DIY them. I'll put a couple on the screen. We just have so much fun with it and I love doing like fun, unique family costumes. So I'm gonna share with you guys what we're doing this year because I don't think I've told anyone yet, to be quite honest. We like keeping it on the down low just because it's fun and like it could be a surprise, but by the time this video is up, you guys are probably gonna see it soon anyways. We are going to a Halloween party, like a family hosted Halloween party on October 19th. So I needed to order these things a little bit more in advance. I'll put the inspo so you can kind of tell what we're doing, but we're gonna be Jurassic Park. Now you might be wondering like, how are you doing that? So basically Alan and I are gonna dress up as like the park rangers, and then Kobe, our dog, is gonna be the dinosaur. And we're making a whole like cage with stuffed like dinosaurs plus him in the dinosaur costume. It's gonna be hilarious. I'm gonna show you guys, you know, later on in this video while we're working on it. But for the time being, let me show you what I bought for our costumes. So Alan himself, he has like so many pairs of like khaki pants or like khaki cargos or just like those type of pants. He might even go with just like black denim. I'm not 100% sure yet. And we bought him the vest off of Amazon. So he's pretty much set in that sense. He just needed accessories. So for myself, I bought myself this khaki cargo shorts. I thought this was so cute. This is the vibe. I can even add like a little belt. For the top, I also got myself a vest. I found this one. It's like pretty similar color. It's not exactly, but honestly it doesn't need to be exact. The other thing I bought us are these hats. I'm not sure if we're gonna wear these or not, but we got these like ranger looking hats. I bought us both a pair of binoculars. They were like literally $2, so we can just like hold it and pretend we're looking at dinosaurs. I bought these little toy dinosaurs, if you can see, because this Halloween party is a potluck and I think I'm gonna be making cupcakes, so I figured like I can put little dinosaurs on top and it kind of goes with our costume theme. I also bought dinosaur earrings and a dinosaur necklace that I can wear. And then last but not least, I bought 2 red bandanas. I figured like we can just like tie it up. I don't know, I saw some of the photos, like people had it, so we'll see how that looks. And then the other thing is I bought a stuffed animal, a little dinosaur stuffed animal. It might be too small, to be honest. Maybe I need a bigger one, but that's kind of what it looks like. And Kobe's costume, let me show you. We got his off of Amazon and it's a little dinosaur. It's so freaking freaking cute. I'm like literally obsessed with it. It's just so fun. I'm gonna quickly put all of this away and then we're gonna head to my nail appointment because I do have to walk there. It's gonna take about 10 minutes. I want to show you guys the new running shoes that I got over the weekend. On Sunday, I went to Niagara Falls with my sister-in-law and mother-in-law, and they have the outlets there, and I found these at Nike. They're an Air Max, I believe, all white. I should probably spray them, but honestly, I think I'm gonna be fine on my walk, so I'm gonna risk it. When I go to my mother-in-law's this weekend, I am going to bring them and spray them there. But they're so stinking nice, and you guys will literally not believe, because it was an outlet, I paid $69 for these shoes. Like, that is insane. I think the regular price was $129.99, so I got it for half off. And honestly, I've always found good shoes there. Like the ones that I wear for tennis that you guys have probably seen in 1,000,001 of my vlogs from this past summer of me and the husband playing tennis. Those running shoes I bought, I'm gonna say at least 10 years ago from the same outlet, and I still wear them. They're still in good shape, and those ones I also paid 69 bucks for. So cheers to new running shoes. Just got home from nails. I had to take my sweater off because I'm sweating, like it's so hot, and I just turned my AC on. But here are the nails. So I went with brown, like I said, but I didn't do chrome. I just did regular brown. It was actually one of the new colors they had. It's so dark. I'm actually obsessed with it. I love it so much for fall. Hi guys, happy Friday. It's been a couple days since I picked up the camera. I'm with Summer, and we're at a boutique right now. Right here, and we're gonna go make some custom charm necklaces. So you guys are gonna come with us. All done. We went for, what is it? Your car's talking. We went for lunch, but this is the finished product. He's so cute. Summer's was $100, mine was $140, so it was. But I had the $20. Oh yeah, you had a $20 deposit. So it is quite expensive, but like we got gold filled chains, which are not gonna tarnish, so that was why they were a little bit more expensive, and then I got 7 charms. So they look cute. Now I'm going home. Summer's dropping me off. Okay, bye. Bye. It was honestly so nice out today when I was out with Summer, and the past hour it's been raining, and as you can see it's still kind of spitting and it's like dark and gloomy out. So I'm kind of in the mood to bake something for fall, and also don't mind my hair. I'm in one of those moods right now where I don't want my hair anywhere in my face, so I have it up in a floral clip, and then I put these like little baby clips to hold my bangs. I love my hair, but sometimes I don't know why I just get in these moods like I wish I was bald. I have this pumpkin bread muffin mix thing that I bought from Trader Joe's last year. I know I'm saying last year. I think they have it again this year, but the expiry is not till February 2025, so it's still good. It's really easy. It's already like a pre-made mix. I just have to add eggs, oil, and water, so I'm gonna do that now. I've never tried this before, so I hope it's good. Trader Joe's always has the best fall things. I'm definitely gonna have to make a trip to Buffalo to go pick up some more or new things. First thing I'm gonna do is add the whole bag of the mix. Oh my god, does that ever smell good? Wow. You need 2 large eggs, 1 and 2, half a cup of vegetable oil, and then it calls for 1 cup of water, but I always like using milk in replacement of water just because it makes the cakes or like the breads more rich and creamy and just more moist in my opinion. I don't have regular milk, so I'm gonna be using almond milk, again 1 cup. So that's half a cup, and that makes 1 full cup. Then I'm just gonna use a whisk and mix it all together. This is the before. I literally can't get over how good it smells. I'm putting it in the oven at 350. It says it's gonna take about 60 minutes. You know it's fall time when it's literally 5:30 and it's already getting dark out. I hate the lighting, but it's fine. While that is in the oven, I quickly want to show you a package I got from Muscle Nation. This was something that was supposed to launch already. I think it did, but for some reason there was like a back order on these pieces, and they're just oversized t-shirts. So the first one is the Refresh oversized tee in the color mushroom. I got it in a size small. It's a very retro looking t-shirt. So it's mushroom, which is like a brown color, and it has white accents. That is what the front looks like. It says Muscle Nation 2016, and then you flip it to the back, it has like the retro Muscle Nation logo. This color is really good for fall. Obviously brown is like my go-to. And then this is again the Refresh oversized tee, size small, but this time it is in the color Aquatic, which is this beautiful blue color. So nice. So the exact same t-shirt. I don't usually tend to wear oversized tees, but I'm going to be going back to like an outside gym, not my condo gym, very soon. I will probably give you guys more information in another vlog coming up about that. I'll go into detail. So I don't know, I guess oversized tees are good to go to the gym, like over a sports bra, especially since, you know, I'm not just gonna be going to the luxury of my condo. I'm gonna have to actually, you know, put some layers on, especially in the winter, to like get in my car and drive to the gym. So that will be great for them. As always, if you guys want to shop anything on Muscle Nation, code KDKAYD saves you 10% on checkout, and it supports me working with the brand. That has been in the oven for 5 minutes, so I got a lot of time to kill. I'm gonna go watch some Gilmore Girls, and then I'll show you guys what the bread looks like when it's done. This is what the bread looks like. Honestly, it's still pretty hot, so I cut it and it's like falling apart, and I'm not gonna lie, I've already taken a couple bites. It is so good. The pumpkin and cinnamon ratio, so good. 10 out of 10. Like, I'm actually gonna make sure I go to Trader Joe's and pick up another one of these. I'm gonna have to bring half of this to my mother-in-law's tomorrow because I know she's gonna love this. Hi guys, happy Saturday. So right now I'm at my mother-in-law's house. It is, I don't even know what time it is. We're going out tonight, very soon actually, but Alan and I are about to make something for our costume. So I told you guys we are being Jurassic Park, so we need to make a little like cage for Kobe, and I bought like some stuffed dinosaurs, so we need to put that together right now. So cute. Look at how cute you are. Are you gonna go in there? Yeah, it's gonna be a little cage. Yeah, good boy. All right, so this is the finished product, as you can see. Did you use the whole can?
No, because the edge is still white there, right?
Where? You don't even see it. It's not a big deal. It's good enough. Don't get it on your shirt. It is like 45 minutes later. We had to finish up quickly because, like I said, we were going out. I can't remember if I told you guys where, but we're going to Sherway Gardens. If you live around the GTA area, you know where that is. But they're having like a, it's called Pumpkinville and Night of Lights. It's just like a fall Halloween themed activity to do. So that's where we're going. Me, Alan, his sister, his younger brother, his girlfriend, and his mom. We're gonna be there in about 5 minutes. Our check-in time is 7, so yeah, I'm excited. We've never come before. We always see it because it's by Alan's work, so we drive by it every day when we're going to work. So yeah, it'll be fun, hopefully. Kobe and I are both so tired. We are going to head to bed. We actually had a really fun night. The little walkthrough thing was it was fun. They had like, at the end of it, they had like carnival games, food trucks, all of that stuff. And then we came back and we actually decorated my mother-in-law's house just for Halloween because we're having a Halloween party here next weekend. So I'm pretty pooped. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to me down below. Give it a big thumbs up. And Kobe and I will catch you guys in the next one. Good night.